Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC, and I got another little tech tip video, kind of an RC hack on how to fix loose RC connectors, whether it be your motor wires or your battery connector. So just a quick and easy way to solve a common problem, which is that your motor wires may be coming undone a lot. Maybe you're sending this thing pretty big, and on big impacts or big landings, your wires are coming loose. It can be pretty darn annoying, and just kind of want to show you how I solve it. Pretty simple. For something like this, is a motor wire off a 6S ESC system. I think it's a 4mm bullet connector. As you can see, it's kind of got that standard sort of 4-prong style connector, and what happens is these things kind of fatigue over time. They kind of don't fit quite as tightly on the other side, and so just a simple, easy way to fix that. All you need is just like a little tiny Phillips screwdriver. This is, again, obviously like a 4 sort of plus style Phillips screwdriver. And all you want to do is just stick that in, sort of lining up all the little cross members of that screwdriver into the little gaps of the prongs. And that way what happens is you just kind of push it in a little bit, leave it there for a sec, and it kind of spreads open those prongs nice and evenly. You want it like perfectly symmetrical if you can. It's just going to fit better in the other side, in the other bullet connector. So you just stick that in, leave that out. Then as you can see, it's kind of spread open a little bit. And then you can go ahead and plug it in, and it should be nice and tight. Now the other style connector you might have is something like this, which is kind of a 6-prong style. So these EC5 connectors, sometimes they're 4-prong, sometimes they're 6-prong, and then obviously like the 4-prong of the Phillips screwdriver is not going to like fit quite nicely. So what I like to use, it's basically just like a little, I think it's a Torx screwdriver, but basically it's like a 6-prong or hex style, or I guess star-shaped screwdriver. It's just got the perfect, again, just the perfect matching for that little 6-prong style connector inside. You just line up those little prongs, push it in there, leave it in there for 10 seconds or so. It spreads everything open nice and evenly. You can pull it out, and then it should fit a little bit connector. It's kind of spread open those prongs and should fit a little more tightly on your battery. So yeah, super simple tip. I've never seen anyone put out a video on this before, so this is just what I like to use to sort of get my battery connectors to fit a little bit better. If you have like a Traxxas style connector, I don't know really how to fix those. I usually just put on a new one. But if you got an XT60, XT90, or 4mm bullet connector or something like that, one of these two styles should work for you. Either the regular Phillips screwdriver, Phillips tip, sort of 4 cross-shaped ones, or the 6 nub part, like this little, I guess it's a star-shaped screwdriver. So anyways, that's it. Those are my little tips for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.